Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bangalore location. It is from Karnataka. So let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, Aloft Bangalore Cessna Business Park Marriott International having vacancies for different positions. They are hiring for housekeeping and laundry associates, food and beverage service associate, hostess, guest relations executive, AV technician, loss prevention and security associates, a front office executive, reservations coordinator, and assistant sales manager proactive. So only female candidates are eligible for this position. And if you are interested to apply for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Next one, PwC is hiring for valuations. So you should have BCom or BBE qualifications, and fresher candidates and up to 1 year of experienced candidates are eligible to apply. You should be exposure in valuations. You should have excellent verbal and written communicational skills. So if you are interested, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Next one, ASM Technologies Limited is hiring for network engineer position. So you should have diploma or BE or MCA qualifications, and only 2019-20 and 21 passed out candidates are eligible, and CCNE or CCNP certified or trained candidates are most welcome to apply, and you should be willing to work in rotation shift. So only freshers with good communicational skills should apply. So if you are interested, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Next one, Mahindra Group is looking for a PhD holder having good knowledge in battery design and development, and you should have education in electromechanical and electrochemistry. So if you are interested, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Next one, WSP India is looking for CAD technician land development. So you should have experience in grading, corridor and piping design or drafting using Civil 3D, and you should have 1 to 3 years of working experience. So if you are interested, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Next one, the Clocks Hotels and Resorts having vacancies for food and beverage associates. So if you are interested, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Next one, mobile programming having vacancies for different positions Java developer, React.js developer, Xamarin developer, .NET developer, QA automation, Angular developer, React Native developer, and Node.js developer. So these are the job vacancies available, and if you are interested to apply for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Next one, Arthur's Food Company Private Limited having vacancies for different positions like area sales manager or regional sales manager and order processing executive. So these are the job vacancies available, and if you are interested to apply for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Coming to the next one, Royal Orchid Hotels having vacancies for different positions they are hiring for executive chef or a sous chef, front office manager, food and beverage manager with extensive experience in banquets, assistant manager HR with hotel experience only, captains, CDP and commis. So if you are interested to apply for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Next one, Sun Mobility Technology Center is hiring for a smart battery team intern position. So coming to the skill sets and educational qualifications required, you should have bachelor's or master's degree in electrochemical, electronics or any other related field. You should have the ability to understand the fundamentals of electrochemistry. You should have the familiarity with tools and statistical methods to bring out insights from large data sets. You should have experience in documentation with good skills on MS Office, and you should have knowledge on Excel, MATLAB, Python, ANSYS, Fluent and C. So if you are interested to apply for this internship, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Next one, Maximus India is hiring for backend Java developers. So you should have 1 to 10 years of working experience, and you must have skill sets on Java, REST API, Spring, microservices and Spring Boot. And the salary would be 10 to 34 lakhs per annum, and it would be work from home or work from office, or it would be remote. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Next one, Chaitanya India Fin Credit Private Limited is looking for software tester. So you should have BSc or MSc or BCA or MCA qualifications. Only fresher candidates are eligible to apply. And you please go through the qualifications and the skill sets required and experience required. Like those are mentioned here. And if you are interested to apply for this position, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Next one, Sagrada Management Services Private Limited is looking for company secretary. So freshers and up to 6 years of experienced candidates are eligible to apply. So if you are interested, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.